With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so today's question is read the paragraph carefully and answer the following questions. Silicon is the second most abundant element occurring in the Earth's crust and always found in combined state. It is obtained by of silica and exists in two allotropic forms, that is amorphous and crystalline. Amorphous form is obtained by heating dry powdered silica with magnesium. The crystalline form is obtained by heating sand or quartz in furnace. Silicon is used in the manufacturing of certain alloys and polymers such as ferrosilicon, silicon, bronze, etc. Compounds of silicon are carborundum, silicone, silicates, glass, etc. Silicones are organosilicon polymer and silicates are metal derivatives of silicic acid, while carborundum are obtained by heating mixture of sand, carbon and common salt. So the structural unit of silicates is SiO2, SiO4, 4 minus, SiO2 3 minus, SiO2 2 minus. So the structural unit of silicates is SiO4 4 minus, and over here this silica Si is sp3 hybridized and tetrahedral geometry. So it is something like this: Si, O, O, O and O, and there are 4 minus charges present, so this will be 4 minus. So the correct answer is option B, SiO4 4 minus. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.